السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. So inshallah today we will continue from where we stopped last week. We are still talking about the Islamic rulings on purification and water. What are the things that we're supposed to know about purification and water? So this is where we are going to continue today. الماء الطهور said وَاعْلَمْ أَنَّ الْمَاءَ إِذَا كَانَ بَاقِيًا عَلَى خِلْقَتِهِ لَمْ تُخَالِطُهُ مَادَةٌ أُخْرَى فَهُوَ طَهُورٌ بِالْإِجْمَاعِ. So we should know that a pure water, or let's say a water, who remains in its original and natural stage, or state rather, it does not mix with anything, with any other substances. Hmm? So this kind of water will be classified and considered as a what as a pure water. So this is said consensusly. وإن تغير أحد أوصافه الثلاثة ريحه أو طعمه أو لونه بنجاسة فهو نجس بالإجماع لا يجوز استعماله. But if any of these three attributes of water that we know, maybe its taste, its smell, its color, is mixed or changed by any impurity, this kind of water will be considered as a what as an impure water. This is also said consensus. So they said وإن تغير أحد أوصافه بمخالطة مادة طاهرة كأوراق الأشجار. But if water, or if one of the attributes, the three attributes, changes due to the mixing of a pure substance with the water, maybe tree leaves, soap, or other pure materials, ولم يغلب ذلك المخالط عليه, and that thing or that substance that is mixed with it doesn't overpower it, that is, it still remains, or it still retains the name water. Okay, so they said, according to the scholars, we have two opinions on this. So scholars have detailed rulings and explanation on this, but the correct view, the most preferred and correct one, is that annahu tahur, this kind of water is pure. And since it is pure, يجوز التطهر به من الحدث. It is permissible to use for both removing ritual impurity and removing physical impurity. That is, if a water is mixed with other pure materials, other pure substances. The most preferred opinion for this kind of water is that it is pure. And we can use it for what? For removing impurities. So lastly, Aksamul Miyah. What are the types of water that we have? According to what you just said now, so we have two types of water, Al-Ma'u Tahur and Al-Ma'u Najis. Al-Ma'u Tahur is a purified water, the one that is pure and remains on its original state. Nothing pure or doesn't pure as mixed with it. Or we can say that it has not been mixed with a pure substance. Sorry, it has maybe it has been mixed with this pure substance, but that pure substance doesn't overpower it, and does not remove the name of the water from it. So definitely, this kind of water can be referred to as what as pure water. So the last one is al-ma'u najis, or the second type of water that we have is al-ma'u najis. This kind of water is water that we can't even use it at all for anything. We can't lift ritual impurity with it, even physical impurity. You can remove it with this kind of water. And what what is the definition given to this kind of water? Is the water that one of its attributes has already been altered by impurity, has already been changed by impurity. That is what we refer to as al-ma'u al-najis. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.